Good, good morning, everybody. And I say morning because it is 8 a.m. Thursday morning here in D.C. It's raining outside. And I'm making black-eyed peas and rice smoked turkey necks. Okay, I couldn't get it to you guys for New Year's just because they were sold out everywhere. But you don't have to eat them just on New Year's. It's cold, it's winter, it's a hearty and healthy food. It's good for you. So yeah, we're doing black-eyed peas, smoked turkey necks. Now, I soaked my peas overnight, guys. My black-eyed peas, because you know when you soak them overnight, or not even overnight, if you're going to do them spontaneously and you do them quick, you can soak them maybe for 45 minutes to an hour. And that's just to get a little bit of swelling, so it can swell up a little bit, and so that all the bad black-eyed peas, you know, the ones that's really not any good, float to the top. You remove them, and there you go. Having the healthful child that I had, I soaked mine overnight. Asked him, take the bowl of peas out the refrigerator for me. I'm about to film it. I can't be mad. His words to me, oh, Mom, I rinsed them off and I put them in the pot for you. I said, oh, my God, I wanted to show the people how the bad ones float to the top. But, you know, maybe one day in the future I'll make some more. But for now, we got black-eyed peas, smoked turkey necks, and some cornbread on top of some rice. That's what's going to be for dinner tonight here in my home. So, yeah, it's cold outside. It's wintertime. We going to eat, okay? So here's my black-eyed peas in my pan with my smoked turkey neck. I'm going in with some water. And I'm going to do about 2 more of these. And that's going to be like 6 cups of water. So I have about maybe 5 smoked turkey necks in here, guys. This is like a 1-pound bag of black-eyed peas. I had 6 cups of water in here, and I'm not even going to season. I'm going to put my top on here, turn it on a medium low, and let these things cook. I am going to season them eventually, but just not now. I'm just going to let the smokiness of the meat and the beans cook, and then probably after 2 hours, I'll throw in some seasoning. And just is going to be some salt, some seasoned salt. That's all, and maybe a little bit of pepper, because it's going to get everything it needs from that meat. Okay, so be back in 2 hours. Let you see how they cooking and how we're going to stir them up in the cooking process so far. Guys, tell me, in this same type of weather, that you eat some beans and neck bones and cornbread and this was going here in D.C. Thursday, raining like I don't know what. You want to snuggle up with somebody, get comfortable, and eat a nice hot, well, I'm just showing y'all my Outback. This is my deck. A nice hot thing of beans. It is raining. Them beans still cooking, guys. Slow and steady. Look, guys. It's cooking. I can't stay on top of the stove too long. But they cooking. It's been about 3 hours. They still hard. These things is going to cook until the meat fall off the bone. I know I got more bone meat than I got beans, but everybody going to want to meat with their rice and stuff. So I did good with the meat part and the flavors. And yeah, I'm just going to let them cook till they cook soft. They're still hard. They're not soft yet. And they've been cooking for 3 hours, guys. So yeah, I'm going to bring you back when they're done. Okay, guys. There it is. My stuff cooked about for 6 hours. I know it's not a lot of juices in it. I just let it cook down. But look at this.
Look about your black-eyed peas.
The meat falling off the bones. These are done. Come right here, Jackson. I had some rice right here that I made. Yeah. It's cold outside. You remember, guys, I showed you that rain? I got that cornbread. And watch what I do here. that bone back in there. Don't want no bone. And got that meat. Let me get some more meat. This is all smoked meat, guys. Smoke, smoke, smoke. Pull it off the bone meat. You hear me? And they just want that juice. You're right, I don't have a lot of juice in here, but it's enough. Look at that. Cornbread, black-eyed peas, and smoked turkey necks. That's what they're eating tonight in my household. It's cold outside. Hopefully you guys follow this recipe. This is a quick, this is like, put it in and forget it type recipe. You know, that's exactly what this is. Add some hot sauce on top of this. So I know that's what my boy's going to do. Add them some hot sauce. Yeah, it's a little bit dry, but hey, this is how we like it here. Tastes great. So hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Real quick, be right back. Okay guys, I had to run to the bathroom. So this is the end result again. Black-eyed peas, smoked turkey necks, cornbread. It's wintertime, it's cold outside. This is some good eating. Come up here. So guys, don't forget, God, Jackson, if you want to come to my SoulfulT Vision Board Conference, guys, it's in the Eventbrite. Excuse me, come and get your tickets. You know, the recipe for this is going to be down below. Remember, this is just a quick fix it and forget about it. Place this stuff on the stove, put it on low heat, and let it do what it do. Until the next video, guys, thank you, Soul Squad, for supporting. These are my loaded potatoes done my way. They're not even loaded potatoes, loaded potato skins done my way here in my house. If you like this recipe, it's going to be in the description box below. Like, share, and subscribe. That's what I love.